Hello, small settlers! The Sims has several funny, unusual creatures, and one of them is the Cowplant. Today I'm bringing this character to life in this video. So get comfy, grab a cup of tea, and let's get creative. But before, I want to thank everyone who watches my videos and support the channel with like and subscription. Recently, the channel passed 500 subscribers. It's small, but your support helps the channel grow and motivates me to keep creating and bringing more wonderful creatures to life for you. Let's get started. First of all, I start by creating the base of a planter and the armature that will support the plant figure. I'm using Cosclay because this sculpture has a lot of thin and flexible parts, and I want to prevent any cracking. By the way, my least favorite part is rolling out the clay, so I usually just knead it in my hands to warm it up and soften it. I cover the entire figure with polymer clay and smoothing out everything. Next, I gradually add the details: leaves, teeth, a piece of cake, everything to make the figure feel alive and capture that tempting moment with the cake from the game. By the way, for those who are new here, I create all kinds of different characters, including Lovecraft-themed, mythology, folklore, and game creatures. So check out other videos on this channel. A like and subscription would be very much appreciated. Well, back to the figure. To finish, I smooth out all the rough areas using isopropyl alcohol and a short bristled brush. This gives the sculpture a clean, polished look. Then I bake it for 15 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the figure has completely cooled, I start painting it with acrylics. I begin by applying the base colors. Since the style of the game is more cartoony, the colors should be bright and vibrant. After that, I build up lighter tones in layers, adding more detail and depth to the figure. finally, I add some finishing touches using soft pastel, which I really like to use lately. The cowplant is such a fun and quirky creature. It's definitely one you remember if you have ever grown it in the game. At least I did, which is why I decided to make this figure. What character stuck with you from your gaming experience? It can be from any game that brought you joy. Share it in the comments and you'll have a chance to win my very first handmade collectible figure. I'm currently working on it, and the video will be out very soon. Just to be clear, I'm not charging any money. So please stay alert if someone messages you asking for that kind of info. And here is how the final figure turned out. Well, I would definitely grab that chocolate cake if it would be real. Thank you for watching until the end. Share this video with your friends and I'll see you again very soon. Ciao!